Greetings to you all. I welcome you all to my zoology class for lesson 4, organ and organ system in animals. The last lesson we have studied about tissues, isn't it? Cell is the basic unit of life. Cells join together and form tissues. Tissues join together and form organs. From microbes to blue whale, organisms occur in different sizes and shapes with a well-organized organ and organ system. Now you know how organ and organ systems are forming. Tissues join together and form organ. Many organs join together and form organ system. Morphology refers to the study of form or externally visible features. Morphology means viewing the external visible feature. The word anatomy is used for the study of internal organs. Only through operation we can see that. Okay, this chapter deals with morphology and anatomy of invertebrates represented by earthworm, cockroach and frog. The first one we are going to see about only earthworm. Okay, earthworm. The zoological name for earthworm is Lambeotomarudi. Earthworm is a terrestrial invertebrate animal. Terrestrial means land that inhabits the upper layer of the moist soil rich in decaying organic matter. It is nocturnal. What do you mean by nocturnal? Come out only through night. Okay, during the day it lives in burrows made by burrowing and swallowing the soil. Earthworms are considered as friends of farmers. Earthworms are also conveniently classified based on their ecological strategies as epigees, endogees. Epigees upon the earth, anisees outer layer of the earth, endogees within the earth. See, based on the ecological classification. Okay, on the surface, within the upon the earth, outer layer of the earth, within the earth. Okay, and morphology. See this picture. First segment is called protostomium, and in between light brown color is that indicates clitellum. Okay, in the last segment you can see anus entire. Okay, now we are going to see about the dorsal view. From அந்த முதுகு பக்கம் உள்ளது தான் டார்சல். ஓகே, and in the ventral side you can see setae. Lambeotomarudi classification: phylum Annelida, class Oligochaeta, order Haplotaxida, genus Lambeoto, species Marudi, and the zoological name is Lambeotomarudi. Okay, see, Lambeotomarudi is commonly found in Tamil Nadu. It has long and cylindrical narrow body which is bilaterally symmetrical. It is light brown in color. The color of the earthworm is mainly due to the presence of porphyrin pigment. Okay, the body of earthworm segments are metameres. Segments means divided into many compartments, and they are alike in nature, and they are called as metameres. Lambeotomarudi consists of about 165 to 190 segments, such a long. Okay, the mouth is found in the center of the first segment, and it is called as peristomium. The last segment has the anus called pygidium. First segment peristomium, last segment pygidium. Mature worm segments 14 to 17. In between a light brown color structure seen, no, that is said to be clitellum. Okay. External features of earthworm. This one we have already studied, and now we are going to see about the habit, habitat, everything. See again, metameous, same structure. Okay, mouth opening peristomium, and the last anus pygidium. Then setae you can see. Then the second earthworm you can see setae, clitellum, genital apertures, genital papillae, male genital aperture, annuli, etc. Okay. Now we are going to compare Lampetomaruti with Metaphyr postuma. Okay. Shape cylindrical, that one also cylindrical. Here Lampetomaruti 8 mm to 210 mm in length. Here 115 to 130 mm in length. Then width 3.5 mm to 5 mm in width. Here 5 mm. Coloration light brown and postuma dark brown. Segmentation 190 segments. Here 140 segments only. Clitellum 14 to 17 4 segments. Here 3 segments. And spermathecal opening here 3 pairs. 6 in between 6th and 7th segment, 7th and 8th segment, 8th and 9th segment. Here 4 pairs from 5th segment to 9th segment. Okay. Pharynx 3rd and 4th segment. Here only in the 4th segment. Esophagus 5th segment. Here 8th segment. Gizzard 6th segment. Here 8th to 9th segment. Then intestine, it is present in the 7th segment. In prostoma it is in 15th segment. Intestinal ceca absent, it is present in 26th segment of prostoma. Okay. Now anatomy. The body wall of the earthworm is very moist, thin, soft, skinny, elastic. Consists of the cuticle, epidermis, muscles, and coelomic epithelium. A spacious body cavity called coelom is present. Hydrostatic skeleton, which play a major role in regeneration, immunity. Okay. Then wound healing. This is the digestive system of earthworm. Buccal cavity, circumpharyngeal connective, that is from nervous system. Then pseudohearts, seminal vesicle, ventral nerve cord, nephridium, everything is anatomy of that earthworm. Okay. உள்ள structure அவ்வளோத்தையும் அப்படியே இது பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. Gizzard, dorsal blood vessel, septa, intestine, everything. Now the digestive system. The digestive system of earthworm consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. The alimentary canal runs as a straight tube throughout the length of the body from mouth to anus. The mouth opens into buccal cavity, which occupies the first and second segment. The buccal cavity occupies third and fourth segment and surrounded by the pharyngeal glands. A small narrow tube esophagus lies in the fifth segment. Muscular gizzard. The gizzard helps in the grinding of soil particle and decaying leaves. Make a note of muscular gizzard. The alimentary canal opens to the exterior through the anus. The ingested organic rich soil passes through the digestive tract. The digestive enzymes break down the complex food into smaller absorbable units. The undigested particles along with the earth are passed out through anus as wormcast. Then see the picture. Triplazole. It is also associated with digestive system, which give more space. Okay. Respiratory system. The earthworm has no special respiratory organs like lungs or gills. Respiration takes place through the body wall. The skin is richly supplied with blood capillaries, which diffusion of gases. Oxygen diffuses through skin into blood, while carbon dioxide from blood diffuses out. The skin is kept moist by mucus and coelomic fluid. It facilitates exchange of gases. See respiration. Then circulatory system. Lambeotomaruti exhibits a closed type. That means blood is taken through blood vessels. Okay. Blood vascular system. It consists of vessels, capillaries, lateral hearts. There are paired valves in the dorsal vessels which prevent the backward flow of blood. The ventral vessel has no valves and non-contractile, allowing the backward flow of blood. The anterior part of the body, the dorsal vessel, is connected with lateral hearts lying in the 6th to 13th segment. Blood glands are present in the anterior segment of earthworm. They produce blood cells and hemoglobin, which is dissolved in the plasma and gives red color to the blood. The color of the blood in earthworm is red, okay, because of the presence of hemoglobin. The dorsal vessel receives blood from various organs in the body. The ventral vessel supplies blood to the various organs. See, in the middle you can see a semicircle like that structure, and it is said to be lateral hearts. In the middle pink color is alimentary canal, and the upper one dorsal vessel. Then lower blue red color blood vessel is called ventral vessel. Okay, you can see the nervous system also here. Brain, that is ganglia. From that the nervous the ganglia are other ganglia are present. Okay. Nervous system. Bilobed mass of nervous tissue called suprapharyngeal ganglia. Here you can see clearly. மேலே 2 லோப் இருக்கா, அது இது ஃபுட் பைப்புக்கு மேலே இருக்கா, அதனால தான் சூப்ரா மேலே இருக்கிறனால, ஃபேரிஞ்சியலை சுற்றி இருக்கிறனால ஃபேரிஞ்சியல் கேங்க்லியா. லைஸ் ஆன் தேர்ட் செக்மெண்ட். It referred as the brain. That ganglia, suprapharyngeal ganglia, the brain, act as a brain, connected by a pair of circumpharyngeal connectives. They run one on each side of the pharynx. The double ventral nerve cord runs backward from the subpharyngeal ganglia. Nerve cord enga irundhu backward, runs backward. Okay, the brain along with other nerves in the ring integrates sensory inputs and common muscular responses of the body. The earthworm receptors are stimulated group of slender columnar cells connected with nerves. Photoreceptors, that is equal to light, sense of light, dorsal body surface la irukku. Gustatory, and that is gustatory, sense of taste, olfactory, sense of smell, found in the buccal cavity. Tactile receptors, sense of touch. Chemoreceptors, chemical changes. Then thermoreceptors, changes in the temperature are present in the prostomium and the body wall. Now excretory system. Excretion is the process of elimination of metabolic waste products from the body. The earthworm, in earthworm excretion is effected by segmentally arranged minute coil paired tubules called nephridia. Excretion by nephridia. There are three types of nephridia. Pharyngeal நம்ம பார்த்தோம்ல அங்கே, micronephridia, meganephridia. Make a note of it. It is a important question, 2 mark question. Name the reproductive organ and its types in earthworm. Systems that perform basic elementary excretory function vary widely among animal groups. They usually involve a complex network of tubules. Now this one also very important. It will be asked in 1 mark. Protonephridia, that is flame cell and planaria. Protonephridia are flame cells found in planaria. Metanephridia found in earthworm, which is similar to nephrons. Malpighian tubules is present in insects. Nephrons, the function of the unit of the kidneys, functional unit of the kidneys in human also. Okay. Meganephridia. The meganephridia has an internal funnel-like opening called nephrostome, which is fully ciliated. The waste material collected through the ciliated funnel is pushed into the muscular part nephridium by the ciliated organ. Besides nephridia, special cells on the coelomic wall of intestine, chlorocogen cells, also present. They send the nitrogenous waste from the blood. Okay. Then reproductive system. Earthworms are hermaphrodite or monoecious. In one animal, one worm, both organs are present for male and female. Okay, found in the same individual. Self-fertilization is avoided. Though they are present in same animal, the reproduction fertilization is avoided because two sex organs mature at different times. If the testis mature first, the ovary used to issue the send out the egg later. So self-fertilization is avoided. Okay. Then the sperms develops earlier than the production of ova. Thus cross-fertilization take place. The fertilization only by other animal. Okay, other earthworm. In male reproductive system, 2 pairs of testes are present in the 10th and 11th segment. See, the testes give rise to germ cells, spermatogonia, which develops into spermatozoa. The vasa differentia run up to 18th segment. Vasa differentia C. மேலேருந்து அந்த டியூப் 18th segment வர போகுது. The male genital aperture contains 2 pair of pineal setae for copulation. Pineal setae for copulation. The female reproductive system consists of pair of ovaries lying at the segment of 13. Each ovary has a long finger-like projection which contain ova in their linear series. Spermatheca or seminal receptacles are 3 pairs lying in the segment 7, 8 and 9. They receive spermatozoa. அந்த தீக்கா தான் என்ன பண்ணுது, இந்த spermatozoa வாங்கி கேதர் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கோம். They receive spermatozoa from partner and store during copulation. A mutual exchange of sperms occur between 2 worms during mating. Okay, this is the life cycle. First, here mating takes place. Cocoon formation about 10 days. After the cocoon is used to come out, it incubates for 15 days and a small earthworm, that is juvenile. Then it grows after 14 to 18 days growth phase. It used to form earthworm without clitellum. Okay, Then after growth, in the growth phase 2, between 15 to 17 days, the clitellum used to form and they become mature. After that, the male and female used to mate and produce cocoon. This is the life cycle of earthworm. Worm forming. மண்புழு வளர்க்கலாம். Okay. Vermicompost production. They used to produce vermicast. நீங்கள் அந்த எர்த்வாம் இருக்கிற இடத்த எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலான்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, அது மேலே இருக்கிற சாயில் வந்து ரொம்ப லூஸ் சாயிலாக இருக்கும், ஹைலி ஏரேட்டடாக இருக்கும். இது அதான் அதனுடைய வேஸ்ட்டு. அது இட் இஸ் குட் ஃபார் த plants. Okay, we can also grow the earthworm in our homes. Okay, by having இந்த மாதிரி இதில் போட்டு அது கூட இந்த கழிஞ்ச திங்ஸு, தேங்காய் நார் இதுகளெல்லாம் போட்டு இந்த எர்த்வார்மை இதில் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணி மேலே இருக்கிற சாயிலை லைட்டாக இது பண்ணிவிட்டு கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி ஸ்ப்ரே பண்ணி இது பண்ணிகிட்டு இருந்தால் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக அங்கே வந்து எர்த்வார்ம் ஃபார்ம் ஆயிரும். ஓகேயா? தட்ஸ் ஆல் அபவுட் எர்த்வார்ம். The rest I will teach you in the next video. Thank you.